So, you've decided to start a website and you need a place to host it. Of course, you're going to choose the one with the half naked dancing girls, right? Wait, that's not how you make decisions about your website. Yeah, me neither. But seriously, when it comes to choosing the right hosting solution, it's best to know exactly what you're getting before you make a decision. So, right now, we're going to take some time and talk about the HostGator platform and what it has to offer. Will it provide the tools and features you need to make your site successful? Stick around if you want to find out. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tech Roast. My name is Chris Del Camino, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of the best web hosting services available for your website. To make things a little easier, we'll be talking about HostGator, its features, and its pros and cons. While HostGator is one of the more highly ranked web hosting services on the market today, we want to take time to be sure it has what you're looking for. Of course, we also want to mention that our number one recommended hosting solution is SiteGround. So if HostGator doesn't work for you, check that one out. I don't know if HostGator is the oldest web hosting company in the market, but they've been around for a while. As a matter of fact, in 2022, they'll be celebrating 20 years in the industry. Its longevity and reliability make it one of the more popular web hosting services out there. Plus, it doesn't hurt that it's known for having a helpful support staff and a reliable infrastructure. We'll get more into that in a little bit. In terms of security, you have a few options available from HostGator. For starters, you can select one of their cloud plans, which provide both speed and security without doing a lot of damage to your wallet. If you don't think that's enough protection, HostGator also has a VPS option. With a VPS plan, you'll have more granular control and along with multiple layers of security for maximum protection. When I think about security, I also think about privacy, which HostGator offers as well with its WordPress hosting plans. Using HostGator's privacy protection means you won't have to worry about identity theft. The platform does this by keeping your domain registration information private. HostGator's servers house your data on 10-disk RAID configurations, which include redundant backup power. Basically, what that means is that if something goes wrong on one of those disks, your site will stay up. So it's like a built-in redundancy backup feature for your site to keep it online longer. What else? Slow servers means slow web page load times, which means your customers are waiting longer on your site than they are on your competitors. Why might that matter? Well, if you're shopping for a product or like a service, are you going to wait potentially for a page to load? Or are you maybe going to become impatient and move on to someone who's invested the time and money to provide a quick and pain-free buying experience? Thought so. Me too. One thing you don't have to worry about with HostGator is uptime. The platform guarantees a 99.9% uptime. While this is pretty much par for the course within the web hosting industry, HostGator ups its game by offering a month's worth of credit to customers who experience anything less than the 99.9% uptime they guarantee. So, not a bad deal if you ask me. Now, by now, you may be wondering how much it costs to use HostGator as your site hosting platform. You'll find that it's pretty comparable to what you'll find anywhere else. For example, HostGator offers 3 plans for web hosting. The Hatchling plan for a single domain at $2.75 per month. The Baby plan includes unlimited domains at $3.95 per month. This is their most popular plan. If you need a dedicated IP or extra SEO tools for your site, the business plan starts at $5.95 per month. HostGator also offers 3 different tiers of VPS hosting starting at $29.95 per month. Other web hosting services like DreamHost charge less, while really fantastic hosting platforms like SiteGround charge a tad more. However, their offerings are also quite a bit more impressive, which makes them worth it if they offer you the services and support that you need. Of course, if you're in charge of hosting your website, you'll also need access to all the backend information and settings. With HostGator's cPanel management tool, you'll be able to control all the aspects of your domain pretty easily. The cPanel is intuitive and user friendly, so you shouldn't have to worry about any trouble navigating and making changes as they're needed. One area where HostGator really shines is its customer support. You can reach out to the platform through live chat, via phone, or by email. And these options are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Plus, with HostGator's support portal, you can reach a hosting expert who can answer all your questions. The support portal also provides video tutorials and community forums if you're the type of person who prefers to do things on your own. Have you or are you currently using HostGator as your web hosting solution? What do you think about them? Did we miss anything? We'd love to hear any of your thoughts, so please write them in the comments below. So, we've discussed some of the features available through the HostGator platform, but the question remains as to why you should choose HostGator for your web hosting needs. For starters, the platform has excellent support service. It doesn't matter what day or time, reach out and someone will help you with your problem. Who doesn't like that? Plus, HostGator is intuitive and user friendly. A clean and easy to navigate design makes using the platform a breeze, even if you're new to the web hosting scene. Lastly, with HostGator, you can choose the type of hosting plan that works for you. Some of the options include shared web hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and more. Set up your site the way you want it. So, what do I think about HostGator? Well, I think that much like any other web hosting service you'll come across, HostGator has its advantages and its disadvantages. For example, when you use HostGator, you're going to get an easy to use platform that offers 99.9% uptime and a top of the line support team to take care of your problems. The platform offers cPanel with plenty of tools and features, free website migration, and a money back guarantee if your site isn't up when it should be. Of course, no solution is perfect, which means HostGator has its drawbacks as well. One that we touched on is its page loading speed. Customers just aren't going to wait around for your pages to load, so if that's super important, you may need to explore other options. Additionally, a few of HostGator's VPS plans are on the more expensive side. If that's the route you need to take, consider trying another platform. Some people, for example, like SiteGround, which is our preferred web hosting solution. You might also check out DreamHost or A2 Hosting if neither of the previously mentioned choices make sense for you. There's a lot of options out there. So there you have it. Those are my thoughts on HostGator's web hosting platform. If you do decide to move forward with HostGator, remember to check out the link below for a discount when you sign up. And before we end this video, I do want to take a moment and disclose that I may be compensated for some of the content mentioned throughout the video. If you discover that you're interested in purchasing the item we're discussing, take a moment and click on the discount link provided below. And as always, please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel so that way you'll always be in the loop when new content is released. So, thanks for taking some time out of your day. I hope you found my review helpful.